Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Daddy's Barbecue Pit. This week we are doing a crab Rangoon dip on the Rectech.
So first you want to start out with 12 ounces of room temperature cream cheese, and you want to add a cup of shredded cheese. We're using Monterey Jack, but you can use whatever you would like. And then you want to add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of Sriracha, and then half a cup of sour cream. And then you want to mix it until it's well combined.
Now if you wanted to make it a little bit spicier, you could probably add some pepper jack cheese, right?
You could.
Probably give it a little pop. So you're just going to combine this till it's smooth.
Yeah.
And then fold in the rest of the ingredients, and we're going to bake it.
For about 20 to 25 minutes. Don't forget to add your seasonings too.
What do you got there?
Some Boar's Night Out double garlic and some Rylee's Cajun rub, or firefly dust.
About a teaspoon and a half of each.
Yeah, I guess.
You season it to your liking.
So once you have it all mixed up, you want to add in 8 ounces of lump crab.
Oh yeah.
And then you want to add in about 3 sliced green onions. And you just want to fold that in.
Yeah. She's folding it in so she's not breaking that. You want some of those big chunks of crab in there. So she's just going to fold it in so it doesn't break that all apart. And we have I think this is a 10-inch cast iron skillet that we greased. We're going to go ahead and throw that in there. And we're going on the Rectech with it. Again, the Rectech's running at 350, and you're going on for what, about 20 minutes? About 20 minutes. So we're going to slide this over. She's going to go ahead and load this into the cast iron. Just make it good and even, spread it around. Again, so we have the Rectech running at 350. We're just going on right in the center of this. And we're just going to be on there for about 20 minutes. We'll come back out, take a look at it. By then it should be good, done, melted. We'll give it a try. So we are 20 minutes in on this crab Rangoon dip. We're going to pull this off, and we're obviously going to let it cool down just a little bit. You can tell it's bubbling. It looks nice and gooey. Get it off here. We're going to take it inside and let it sit. Looks delicious. Okay, we have gotten our crab Rangoon dip was on the smoker for about 20 minutes at 350 on the Rectech. You can see it got a real nice color. When we came in, Rylee added some of her Cajun firefly rub on top, and now she's going to add a couple more ingredients. We're going to give this a try.
So I'm going to go ahead and top it with some Sriracha. And then a couple of chives.
Oh yeah, that looks good. We're gonna give this dip a good try here. Ooh, nice and creamy. Oh yeah. Oh.
That's good.
That's solid. Oh. Oh yeah, this one's a keeper. This would be a great game day dip. Got football season coming up. Make sure you give this dip a try. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. Make sure you follow Rylee at
Steak Princess BBQ.
Get you some.